Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to send pictures on Hotmail. Whether you're emailing from your laptop or your phone, the steps are really simple, and I'll walk you through everything step by step. So let's get into it. First, head over to Hotmail or Outlook.com and sign in with your email and password. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on your inbox. Next, click on the New Message button on the left side. This opens a blank email where we can attach the photos. Go ahead and type the person's email address in the To field, and then add a short subject line like, "Here are the pictures." Nothing fancy, just something that tells them what the email is about. Now here's the part everyone looks for. Click the little paperclip icon at the bottom. That's the Attach option. Choose Browse this computer or Browse files depending on your device. Then select the pictures you want to send. You can pick multiple images at once by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac. Hotmail will upload the pictures automatically. If the files are large, this might take a moment, and just give it a second. You'll see the images appear right under the subject line once they're fully attached. Before sending, you can type a short message in the main box. It's something like, "Hey, these are the photos you asked for." And when you're ready, hit the Send button in the bottom left corner. If you're doing this on your phone, the steps are basically the same. Open the Outlook app, tap the Compose icon, and then tap the paperclip to choose photos from your gallery. It works just as smoothly on Android and iPhone. And that's really all there is to it. Now you know how to send pictures through Hotmail in a simple, clean way. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.